I'm just here to submit my recording on my experiences with ADHD Planner. I believe my experiences with this template was similar to everyone else's. I was looking for a tool to optimize my life. And Notion was something I fell upon. However, I realized that it was so difficult to create my own space that would have enough features that would actually help rather than be hindrance. And that's why I stumbled upon ADHD Planner 2.0. Since I was attending university at the time, I had so many subjects and assignments that I wanted to take care of. I needed an easy system that allows me to have like all the tasks and assignments I need to do and by which date. The focus feature of ADHD Planner was something that I really used a lot. It became a unconscious part of my routine, and it really helped complete assignments in a timely manner. Another feature that I really like was a habit tracker. I thrive on routine, and trying to establish new habits was hard to manage. Using the habit tracker made it easy to keep track of all my habits that I wanted to keep and helped me become more productive. One thing I would want from the next iteration is the budget section. Currently, I feel like the current system is a bit simple, and I would really want more from it. Thank you.